Becoming better with money isn't just about making more. It's about making smarter decisions with what you already have. If your paycheck seems to disappear too quickly or you feel stuck financially, there's a way out. You don't need a six-figure income to build wealth. You need a system that works. In the next few minutes, I'll share a simple, actionable plan to improve your money habits, reduce stress, and take control of your financial future. The first step to mastering your finances is understanding your spending. Track every dollar you spend for a month. This doesn't have to be complicated. Use a free app, a spreadsheet, or even a notebook. Write down your fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and insurance. Then add your variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Seeing it all laid out is often a wake-up call. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about clarity. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Adjust these percentages based on your goals. If you want to save aggressively, lower your wants category and increase your savings. The key is to create a plan you can stick to long-term. Unexpected expenses can derail your financial progress. Start by saving $1,000 as quickly as you can, then aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Keep this money in a separate, easily accessible savings account. An emergency fund isn't just a financial safety net, it's peace of mind. Debt can feel overwhelming, but there's a way to tackle it. Choose between the debt snowball or avalanche methods. With the snowball, pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum. With the avalanche, prioritize debts with the highest interest rates to save the most money. Whichever method you choose, focus on one debt at a time while making minimum payments on the others. Once your debt is under control and you've built an emergency fund, it's time to invest. Start with your workplace retirement plan, especially if your employer offers a match. Then consider opening a Roth IRA or contributing to a brokerage account. The sooner you invest, the longer your money has to grow through compound interest. Set up automatic transfers for savings and bill payments. This eliminates the risk of forgetting and makes saving a priority. By automating your finances, you reduce the mental effort required to stay on track. Simplicity is key to consistency. Improving your finances doesn't happen overnight, but small, consistent steps lead to big results. Start by tracking your spending, building a budget, and creating an emergency fund. From there, focus on paying off debt and investing in your future. Every step you take brings you closer to financial freedom. With the right plan and determination, you can be better with money and build a life you're proud of. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more personal finance tips. Take control of your money and start building the future you deserve.